All right, this is our next trail for the day. The wind is still blowing. You can probably hear it. You definitely can hear cars going by. But in a couple of minutes, that will cease. This is called the Lakeside Trail. This is just off the parking area here at Shoals Lake. It says on this sign, this trail is 1 mile, which is pretty short. And it also says that it's a YACC project. I'll have to look up that and see what that means. Anyway, it's through the woods right here. I'm not going to take much video of this, but I will right here at the beginning. You can see this is not a paved trail. And it's right on the lakeside. You can see the lake right down there. It's going to be through these woods. So if we get any pretty pictures, I will take a picture and share it with you.